Here we have a real estate preview app, which allows us to view previews of our real estate projects. We can change the viewing direction to see the project from different angles. I can also select specific buildings. For example, I'll select this building. We can filter the units by floor as well. If I don't want to see 2 BHK units and only want 3 BHK units, I can apply that filter. Now, these are all 3 BHKs. If I only want 2 BHKs, and there are none available in this building, that will be reflected. However, if there are a few 2 BHK units, they will appear accordingly. Similarly, I can filter for 4 BHK units. These 2 tiles, for example, are 4 BHKs. For now, I'll select all. The green tiles indicate available units, the red tiles indicate sold units, and the blue tiles represent units on hold, either reserved or under customer consideration. When you click on a floor, a pop-up appears for contacting us. You can enter your details like your name, email address, phone number, and your query. Once you fill in the form and hit the submit button, your data is sent to our backend system, and our team will contact you as soon as possible. For example, I'll enter the name, Suraj, and the query, please contact me. After submitting, you'll see a confirmation message. That covers the inquiry process. Now let's continue. Here, we can select different floors and view their layout in 3D models. You can zoom in, zoom out, or rotate the model for better viewing. You can also view a VR, virtual reality, tour by clicking the VR button. This brings up the VR tool, where you can explore the floors. For example, here's the balcony view. You can see the entire structure of your flat. This area is the master bedroom, and next to it is the washroom. So, from this section, you can view the VR model of your unit and explore its complete layout.
CodeRower, ready to streamline your operations? Our experts are here to help.